Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Usumbun Menteri Rambak Kejelau ba Preston Tensong hakakat santrik unai weng arajar arpuar ulalum mi kejengalang yaki he officer nagi tanat terekam baper bakentup nak tanat forest revenue PHE MEECL bat nak tanat PWD nak benta banyak thir yatai hakabaidai baka Jingshna yak Surok Shillong-Dawki ke Jingshna yak Surok Nongston Rambrai Kershai ke Jingshna yak Surok nadu Ranikor Shamahesh Khola hadu kasnong bakmara. Hakajing akran bigilat pathai kubur ba Preston ulai thu bagi don katu kat ni ki Trai Khyndew ki bala Kyntait wan Pdiang ya ke Jingshna Bailutksan dak sarkar hakabaidai ba ke Jingshna ya ke Surok na Shillong-Dawki hakabaidai ba kani ba Preston ulai thu ba sarkar kala patha ya ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District ban khoj akran ki Trai Khyndew bakin Pdiang ya ke Jingshna Bailutksan dak sarkar khanang bat Pinstat ya ke kam khanang ba ondobla ban IT no Shaka National Highways bat ke Infrastructure Development Corporation bakan dubyo Trai no yakakam
with all the concerned department like forest and then like revenue, PHE, MECL, power and PWD relating to the progress of Shillong-Dawki route, and number 2 is relating to the progress of Nongston Rambrai Kershai route, and also relating to the progress of work in the Mahesh Khola site, Ranikor, Mahesh Khola up to Bangmara. We reviewed it today very nicely, and small issues were there. Sometimes it happened with the forest department, sometimes it happened with PHE department for shifting of utility, and then sometimes it happens with MECL for again shifting of electric pole and all. So now we already resolved that by any means it should be completed, all this process before November end. Means on or before 30th of November we'll be able to resolve all this issue. And secondly, we discussed about few stretch of Shillong-Dawki road where some portions of landowners, they are still not willing to accept the compensation. So again, we have directed the deputy commissioners, East Khasi Hills, even all the deputy commissioners join us online. So we discussed, we instructed to all of them to pursue this matter and also to convince the landowners to accept the land compensation as early as possible so that the land can be handed over to NHITCL for implementation of road construction. Kila retender laku nulung try by December kila lakan play ka financial bid, and then immediately after that kinsa ya ka work kila dep ka retendering process. I don't get the exact numbers, but you see patches they have, some of them maybe 5-6 of them, again in another patches maybe 8-9 of them. It's like that. So altogether maybe around 40 or 50 landowners who are still not willing to part their land, or who has not even received the compensation till today. But the deputy commissioner, the district collector East Khasi, she is working out all these issues, and I'm sure maybe by the end of this month we'll be able to resolve the issue. Some of them they said that the assessment is low, and then some of them they said no, we are not willing to part the land. Okay, there are 2 issues. I said some of them they are not satisfied with the assessment made. So, but again, few bucket of them they are not at all willing to part the land for construction of the road. Kani ko project lah Hanover na kaliang jongga National Highway siya po kay na GCL. They idon ka plan ha kabaite nadu ng Canada. Hadu aslong bagin convert siya ka 4 lane. Subjected pada lagi yo ay ka. Dahil jia bangim yo chaka ro inle ay ya kaneka ka 4 lane tamila padyan no siya ka eastern part. Naman ta ka western ke Western Bypass, Shillong Western Bypass, mentah kelanang ya cuma. Dia mentah ni pelan lu bandon sekatakan Shillong Eastern Bypass. Kabalek saya kami somewhere sini line area mau dia. Bahkan connect pada biang siapa tu bah Shillong Bypass. Dia kata dia bagi nak dot initial stage kumno bandai kata.